Hey, everybody, welcome back. And ProperMinted crew is going live once again. Meet Kevin, my colleague trader from New York. Hey, Kevin. And myself, Alex from Prague, Czech Republic. We are looking at market today. Tesla reported pretty bad sales numbers in China. Market sold off, but now recovered. We'll see what's gonna happen on open in just under 5 minutes. And we also have a J Powell speech coming up in same 5 minutes. So prepare for some awesome turbulence. And as a reminder, today we are not going to trade any evals because we passed them all last week, and we just gonna trade live account and PA accounts as a copy trader. All right, let's get ready. We are set up pretty much good, and I just need to enable my copy trader. So we're gonna copy from live account to some of our other accounts. So basically, the strategy we're using is we are not copying over trades between PA accounts, and we do not duplicate them. We just copy one at a time, and the idea is it just spreads the risk across many PA accounts, so they kind of resemble decent live account. So you don't have to confine with measly 2,500 drawdown, nor you have to resort to trading like $50 a trade. And this way is kind of more beneficial. And um, we just keep changing accounts every trade, or let's say every like $250, $300. And amazingly, I have a delivery guy who brought some stuff my wife ordered, so I have to quickly rush. And anyways, first few minutes of market open is not going to change anything, and we are not going to trade it anyways. So I will be back in a few minutes, and you, Kevin, can talk to our lovely listeners.
Okay, market open. Here we go. All right, nothing really happened.
Okay, I'm back and I can hear we have some issue with trading platform sounds. That should be super annoying to you people.
We have an issue with what?
Yeah, I had an
I
issue with
guess first
sound
move is up
configuration.
at this point.
Yeah, here we go. All right, here we go. Right. So we did break out and we're
Up
going for highs.
and
Looks like we're on a run. Test push, breakout again. Let's try to get
break out
in.
again.
Now, and in March. Okay. Come on.
Okay.
Oh, little catch. But I have no idea if it was copied. Probably it was too fast. Didn't copy. That's okay.
Okay, seems like we're taking a little bit of breather for now.
Yeah.
And looks like we're
And
heading back up.
yeah, attempt to continue the move. And I don't see anything in front, so I might try to get in again.
Hmm.
Okay, we're in. Down. Copy trader didn't have enough time to follow up, so it lost a little bit of money there, but not too much. Too fast for it. Yeah,
Okay.
maybe it's trying to slow down now a little bit. We'll see. I'm not joining shorts for now. It could be some good trades, but can spike up any moment. We'll look for reversal breakout. Okay, she's trying to reverse back. We do have some imbalance to clear. So we took out some selling imbalance, but now
Okay.
let's see. There is an interesting pattern
Yep.
here. Pretty
Yep.
interesting, and a lot of fakery going on.
Okay.
Really, really fast action.
Not reversing yet, but it almost feels like it's going to. Is this it?
Yeah, super
Possible.
fast, super fast.
Okay. We're fast. Yep.
For this signal.
Let's get in on the 10 ticks right now and see.
Yeah, we should get a reversal on 20 very, very soon. Let's see if we can break up.
Yep. Why is
I'm not
my 10
taking
tick not?
this.
No. Yeah.
Yeah, I set up to 1 second, but I prefer not to take below 2, just in
Okay.
case. Okay, I'm in on 20 tick, and I have copy trader working, but now we're crushing down.
No. No.
How
Russian down.
beautiful, how beautiful. Um,
Yep.
let's see if this low holds. We should be safe. It just
It
pierced.
slightly.
Yeah, it's gonna stop us out now.
Yep.
Maybe not, I don't know.
And maybe not.
So we pushed the low. We'll see what happens now. It's really volatile. And it's speech, I mean, what do you expect? It's a speech. Okay, we break even. And we just survived by sheer luck, to be honest. It was one tick away. Ah, but I'm gonna stay away for a little bit because looks like initial push um, is out of juice, right? And I kind of, in heat of the battle, I kind of lost touch with the fact Paul is speaking now. I remember, and it's not advisable to
It
participate
looks like
in
we're going to go back to our high. Oh, here we
it.
go.
Oh, I'll just sit on the sideline for now. And yeah, I know it's so interesting with the speeches of central bankers. Back in the day when we had the CCB central banker, we had this older guy from UK, and he had few keywords. King, I think. No, was it King? No, it was not King. It was before. I have a really bad memory of names. But he had keywords. But now I learned actually Powell has a keyword, basically showing what his initial speech gonna be about in terms of like bullish or bearish. So if he says something, good morning, uh, then it's probably gonna be dovish, right? I haven't tested, I don't know, but this is what I learned from someone. So if he addresses somehow differently, it's more bullish, it's more well, actually dovish, right? But good morning or good afternoon is very hawkish, very formal, very hawkish. So he's not pleased with something, and he's gonna bash the market. We'll see. I don't, but I'm not listening really. Probably I should be, and I can check if anybody has a stream in it because I can be bothered really to. Maybe I can. Felt Powell. Oh, I'm doing it wrong. It's different keyboard. All right, Powell speech live. Let's see if he's talking.
Oh man, can't get an entry. All right, stop.
Okay. Oh, you get stopped. PBS News Hour. there is a lot of. We can watch it from Benzinga. So maybe some nice commentary.
Looks like we're coming off a little bit. Morning up for momentum.
Did you finish
Selling off.
already or something?
And we're back up.
Ah, it's ECB forum. Okay, now I understand what kind of speech he's making. So, yeah, it's like he's just not moving nowhere. He's just creating this volatile action.
Yep. There's no patterns right now. It's just one direction, go straight up, and
Absolutely.
then the other direction straight down.
You know what is interesting? This trade would be golden if we held it. He just would give us 38 points. That would be interesting.
I think setting back up
Yeah,
near
but
the
like I
local
opened
high right now,
I
day
opened
high.
yeah, I opened the stream from Benzinga now. It's like it's no Powell yet, I guess. It's just some Brazilian banker is
Mhm.
speaking. I didn't have idea they have bunker. I thought all they have favelas. I'm joking, of course.
And back down.
I don't know. It just looks like there is some sort of anticipation. They can't help themselves but push market higher. But now they kind of waiting for Powell to open his mouth and mumble something.
He hasn't started yet, has he? I don't
No, he
see.
hasn't. He
Yeah.
hasn't. There is a Brazilian guy talking some stuff. I don't know. Oh, he's talking in English. Okay, I thought he'll have Portuguese translation, but obviously he's
And we're back up,
English speaker.
resuming
Wow,
up.
that's a rocket ship right there. But I don't know, is it my computer lagging or is it data stream is lagging? I've loaded way too much stuff here. 50% CPU should be okay still.
Okay.
24 cores. It's a bit too much still, huh? It's a bit laggy, yeah. I test. And it doesn't help by having quotes running so fast. So I don't know what kind of quality of stream we will get because probably it's kind of consumed.
Look, I found a small ceiling here at 85.
Now
I'll try
Lagarde
again
is
later.
speaking. Yeah,
I'll try again later.
he's doing shenanigans market right now.
Okay. Yeah, one viewer is me. Okay. Yeah, we had 3 viewers earlier. Um, Oh, I see.
Then looks like we try to go back up. Maybe we take a chance on 20 tick. I don't know. Try to push high again. And let's try. I don't think it's ready yet, but hopefully it's not gonna push too low. It's kind of a little range. So fast. We like fast, but it's kind of hard to keep a track of it. Okay, we're pushing. Double top.
Mhm.
Double top for reals. Yeah,
I
I
think we're gonna
know.
push again.
No, no, that's good. If we push again, it's good, but I just don't want to stay in front of double top because it can solo from here. Try another test of bottom. Once we push, that's better. I can try to catch it from 10. Okay,
There we
here
go.
we go.
And I'm out. Damn it. Yeah.
Oh, you try to short it?
No, no, no. I was trying to long it
Oh,
and
okay.
it ran
I see.
and before I got to it.
I see. I see.
But we should continue this upward movement and try to get long. Trying to get in on the 10
I'm
tick
long
right now.
now. I'm long right now, actually. And it doesn't look good. Okay, maybe it recovers. Yes, please go. Please go.
Long.
Yeah, full target. Perfect trade. And it didn't
Some more
copy
long.
again.
Come on, come on,
It didn't copy
come on,
again.
come on,
It
come on,
only
come
it can't copy fast trades. That's a bit retarded. It's too fast.
on.
Trade copper can't follow up.
Okay.
Oh, it stopped now. Why? I didn't stop it. Why it stopped? Wow. No, no wonder it doesn't follow up. Of course it stopped. I think I lost connection at some point, and it's stopped. Okay, no problem. Most important to make money on live account. All this kind of. Oh, now Paul is talking, but he's just chatting with Lagarde. It's just little book and wine club. Oh,
And now we go.
he has a little like big piece of like tape on his nose. I think somebody punched his nose. Oh my god. No, it's like it's kind of color skin tone, but you can easily see it. He's an old man. Probably his nose fallen off. I mean, no disrespect to Mr. Powell, but it's funny. All right. And looks like it's tempting. Looks like a local breakdown, but like we're still within a bullish structure, so I'm not going to short it this yet. Yeah, absolutely. We're in the buying zone, not in the selling zone. We're still very far from our trend entry. We're using trend entry from 60 ticks. We're using breakout from 10 really, really fast, and we use momentum entry from 20. And this is something due to change. I actually can't hear things they're saying, and I don't want to plug it louder because you guys gonna hear a lot of other noise too. And I can plug in directly into the stream, but I'm running it on a separate PC, so it kind of doesn't really abuse my resources. Oh, now she's going downtown.
Going. Yep.
Absolutely. Down she goes. All right. And down she goes. Oh, there is no anchoring point. Interesting. It's like kind of ramped altogether. Maybe like that. So we can kind of get an idea about this. So we kind of sloping down towards our trend entry. Interesting. I know you guys can see it. It's too much charts to put into screen, but I have it. And so we're looking potentially enter around 28 for long. But yeah, actually it looks still good. Very much up. And yeah, doesn't look like reversal yet. So we at least can push in orders there. See how it works. And this one uses a pretty large stop, 180 ticks, 45 points. Too big.
Is it reversal or did it just pause to continue to go down? Going sideways right now?
Yeah, we are actually sitting on a previous settlement, open. It's all together, all prices, settlement, close, and open, all the same price. So market didn't really move anywhere. And well, we can argue it closes the gap between open and previous close. So the mission is completed, but I don't really think we're gonna go down for now, at
Yeah.
least. I think it will still be trying. All right, so we didn't go there, at least yet. So we have reversal signal on 20 ticks, but probably it will just go run away from us. It's already too late. 10 tick would give us signal, but that was a bit too early. Maybe this one. No, this one would be for grabs, actually. Okay, now she's coming for first test. Now she's doing it. Okay. Right, we're alone. Let's see.
Oh, me too. They're long, but
Yeah,
let's see.
alone, not wrong. Yeah. Oh, come
Yep.
on. And it just crashes down so freaking fast. Okay, I'm out. I just,
Yep,
I,
I'm out. I
I
got
just
locked
don't
into.
like it. I just don't like it. It was so strong and
Yep.
then just bam. It's probably want to test low again, but probably will still run a little bit higher. It wasn't too bad. Wasn't too bad. So after all shenanigans, we're actually up on this P account, and we're doing well on live account. Almost 400 bucks up. That's cool. All right, we can continue trading this one until we reach plus 250 or 300, something like that, or minus, and then we switch. And yeah, I think almost the
On the
top.
20, it looks like it's forming some sort of a rounding up, or is there
Uh,
a white? Is there a full flag?
yeah, it's more
Oh,
like bull
we just broke
flaggish.
out. Okay.
Yeah, indeed, indeed. We won't reach an entry, but we can try. I'm not ready to place 10 tick order. It's just too big swings, you know.
Yeah.
Okay, we're long again, and she's trying to go, but I don't like it. I'm out. It's a bit too shaky. And on 10 we try to collapse under. You
Yeah.
see this RV up, what I call it.
Mm.
It's kind of contains the price. I know it's only a few seconds long, but it's very pronounced how it cannot push. So just get out. We can try again. You know, better pay a few bucks in commissions rather than just sit and draw down and hope and pray. And I don't like how this Bollinger is collapsing down. Obviously, because we had this down move. And down she goes.
And we're down.
Broke the
Yep.
low. Wow. That's a meltdown. And of course, Paul is talking right now. I can hear what he's saying, but it's not important. It's
I'm
only
having
important
issue
fact
with the
is he's opening his mouth. That
link.
yeah, yeah. It's unimportant. It's like in his press conference, right, and for MC stuff. It's actually absolutely unimportant what his kind of intro, his written statement is, obviously because everybody know it up front because they pre-publish it. So that's irrelevant. And what is interesting, when journalists ask him questions, it's almost unimportant what he answers. It's important what they ask. So they kind of give you the tone, direction. Would it be about something happening good or something happening? And that actually turns the market. And when he answered, it actually mostly just continue because they usually don't ask him super hard questions, right? So you know what the answer will be, and so it's only kind of sentiment, right? So it's they set the sentiment for next minute, and that actually moves the market. It's very difficult to trade this way, but I mean, if you specialize in it, you can get proficient, and I'm pretty sure you can get good results. But it only happens so often. So is it so necessary? Just better stay away from it. Uh yeah,
Just missed that rebound. Gonna
yeah.
let it go this time.
Oh, I just missed. We actually
Yeah, yeah.
had a trend entry on 60 ticks.
Yeah, I was watching for that and then it just ran away from me.
Yeah, no, I had a valid trade entry on 60 tick, and it already up 90 ticks from there. That was very fast. It was almost the bottom. It was somewhere here. Yeah. So was just squeezed between 30 minutes and 1 hour view up. And there she goes. That's okay. There is enough market. Plenty. Shouldn't rush. Those guys just enjoying themselves. It doesn't look like they're working. They're just like fire chat, you know. Getting, I don't know if you remember this European stuff, but like
The
there
five
was a,
minute and the 15-minute chart, it's
yeah,
looking fairly bullish. But then if I look at the 4 tick range chart, that doesn't look so bullish. So we'll see how this what plays out from here.
60 looks very bullish too. Very, very, and we get only first trend entry on 60.
Okay.
Well, we're trying to push some level we just created on 20. And if it breaks, I don't think we will get a. Probably we might get a chance because Bollinger is straightly pushing down. So basically, we are in liquidity crunch and volatility crunch. So we're gonna push and break, and now it will most likely propel us down a little bit as well before it can go hard. We'll just wait. I just
Want
want a
to go up.
little bit. Yeah, it wants to go up, but it needs Bollinger to open. Okay, we're alone. We are alone. And unless we run in our assumption, it Bollinger is turning. It can go now. It can go now. She's trying to. You give it to her. Okay, push, push. It's opening up. It's opening up. We can go. We can go. She's trying to. Yeah, take that high. No, one more push. Oh
There we
yes.
go.
Oh
Oh wow, now what's going on? I'll say something.
no, I have no idea what has just happened.
What just happened?
I have no freaking
Well,
idea.
it fortunately hit my profit target, and then I got out before it reversed back out. But now we're back where we were.
What is happening right now? I absolutely have no idea. It was so fast. Oh yeah, I lost a lot of money on PA account. Fuck. And I almost closed at break even. It's just stupid. Uh, no, not a lot of like 600 bucks, but that's unfortunate. Well, that was unpredictable. No events, no nothing. It just went haywire.
Yep. Went up, down, and back up.
Yeah.
So we are exactly where we were before we did a breakout. We're trying to attempt to break out again, but now it looks a little bit weaker than before.
Yeah.
And then we're going down. Yep. How far will we go down? Let's see. It doesn't
Mm.
seem like it's too weak, but we're right back at where we opened.
Yeah.
Mhm.
I don't think it's turning yet. Is this move and the way it reversed back up? It's
Yep.
more likely they're trying to shake
Yep.
passengers. It's too much people long, and it's kind of looks like a short trade. And we fell victim
Yeah.
of it, but like it's just I have no idea how Apex closed me, but live I wasn't, and which is incredibly weird. Why my stop wasn't triggered, which is super lucky, but I just don't understand why. Because my stop should be here. I should be out. But Apex actually, for some reason, usually there's a culprit. They're super slow and everything is so sloppy. But they closed. But they closed at a terrible price because the risk was like less than $300. But they just slipped like hell, and they closed somewhere at the below the range for 600. But live, I don't know. It was so close, and I was pushing button, but it just couldn't react. It went like we predicted. It went up, but it just was a little bit short of profit target. That's a problem. It was 52 ticks up, 50 ticks up, and the profit target was 60. Just missed by 10. Well, but at least we didn't get any damage, so only PA account got suffered a little bit. It's okay.
Right now we're breaking out of the range slowly.
This price action is actually okay-ish for now, but looking at
Very
60 tick,
volatile. Yep.
yeah, very fast moves. At 60 ticks, actually, we're kind of in a crossroad, but we try to go up again. Kind of lower lows, higher lower highs right now, but shall we push up
Yep.
a little bit? We we can go. Probably I'll try to because we're in the middle of nowhere on smaller time frames, and it's too volatile for 10. So like for 20, I have to see momentum on 20. There is none yet. As there is something happening on 10, but it's like back and forth really violently. So I'm not touching it right now. So 60 looks like best bet for now, but we need to take out highs, but we may not get trade for a while. If it runs like hell, it's not gonna. But like on 5 minutes, it looks like they push with 3 weeks. They push low, push low, push low, and now they try to go high. So it's really weird formation. Really weird. It doesn't look like a typical bull flag or anything. It's just they push up, they fail, they push down, and next time they push down more, but they still come back, come back, come back. Anyways, okay,
No,
so I will try to get in from 60. I'm already in, and let's hope it just can go. My stop is just below this range. It's pretty healthy. It's pretty big. Just around 27, but it doesn't mean it can be stopped if it choose to reverse from here and go down. But I still have hopes for it. If we take out highs, that would be a good sign. And our target is at 118. It's slightly optimistic, but we shall see. I don't know. It's like when this speech is happening, everything is so difficult. It's just going like crazy, 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 crazy. And they try to push back down again. Shall see. Doesn't look very good right now.
but yeah, that's a pretty decent sell-off. 20 points, less than a minute.
Lagarde is talking now,
Um,
but I don't think she has capacity to move it. It sounds like they're getting rid of passengers, but like the pattern on 5 minutes is so weird. Still kind of RVO up supports it. Let's see if we will close below it or above it. They try to push it back up. And I don't feel like there is a reason for them to go lower again because the next move will be back to move up at least. So that would be basically trend reversal. It will be super hard to push up again. So if they still want to push up, they should hold these lows. Doesn't look very good right now, but we're still not broken all these lows. Bunch of stuff in a way. Still might reverse up. It's trying to, for sure.
the reverse up.
Okay,
Oh, missed
maybe
it.
we go now. So only problem Bollinger is not yet open up, so it will slow it down a little bit. But we're good on 60, we're good on 10. So we're back break even. Let's see if it can go. It's opening up here now, it's alright. It's alright. Should push here, nothing stops us. It's just two minor highs and day high. So we should try day high at least. Okay, let's try to go. Right, new local high, new local high. Okay, they go. And we broken high. So I'll do the stupid thing. I'll put to break even because I don't want to see another retest. It should just accelerate to the highs. Then it may take a breather. But not here, not now. Just don't want it. It's coming back down. Let's see. If it's just hold here, should be safe. No. They want to push it lower. Yeah, I'm out. Okay. Well, we gave it a try. So we went up 60 ticks, 15 points, but didn't hold.
Wow, we're like going straight down, back to the bottom of the range.
I would bet we are reversing back down. We failed to push today high. We had this kind of push down reversal, failed. We have lower high, we have lower low. I would say we're reversing down at least to view up, maybe 20k. I think like 20k probably realistic. And next we have pivot, we have weekly view up. So there's a bunch of stuff. So I would say like 980, between 980 and 20k 11. Yeah, she's gone. It's gone. Wow. 10 tick is crazy, crazy fast again. Not touching it right now. Okay, maybe tomorrow. Yeah, it's like it's kind of breaking down. I'll try 60 again, but probably won't get there. But it's quite close. So that was a good call for taking break even. We did push, we did break, and it was so close to day high. And if it fails and reverses, they're gonna try to go lower. Let's say I think they will push up a little bit more, probe this region. We have a little bit of imbalance, sudden imbalance here. Maybe they try to push it, or they just go straight down. No idea.
Yep, consolidating from the recent down move,
Yeah.
we'll pick a direction from here somewhere. We're slightly down for the day, so I guess we're gonna resume down, I guess. Okay, then I'm gonna try to get a little short around here. Maybe. Yeah, I'm short and covered. Quick 4-point profit. Up 150 bucks for the day. Yay.
Hey, better small than nothing, huh? Better small than
Yeah.
loss. Okay, I still have my order at 45 in place for short, but I'm not 100% sure about it. It's like they
Now,
buying
yeah, it's
relentlessly. I just canceled it. It's like you guys should hear, probably you Kevin can't hear it, but anyone's on stream can hear. I have audio support for the tape, and so basically I have two distinct sounds for block trades for buy and sell, and I technically can trade with not looking at a chart, but very short term, obviously. But when you hear like block trades coming in, it's gonna push just at least a little bit. So we are at short entry right now. Tape start to calm down just a little bit, but I'm not gonna do anything right now because it may well reverse. Just look at 5 minutes. So 50 seconds to close, and look, we have like really big week down, but it just not wasn't sustained. So if we close now somewhat positive, which most likely will happen, or slightly negative, but if slightly negative, we'll probably need a little bit of push still. But anyways, it's kind of mid ground. Technically, it's more bullish because we still have bullish momentum, and we only probe lows with weeks. But in a shorter time frame, I would say anything can happen. It doesn't look like big
yeah.
momentum restored. It's just probing levels and pushing people around, just hunting for stops. But this
Yep.
this kind of
15-minute chart still looks very bullish too. So
yeah.
yeah.
Yeah, obviously
Kind of,
15 minutes.
yeah, kind of leaves us like,
Uh, well, that's trading on speeches, all right? Even though it's not anything like FOMC, but still, it's kind of, they're having fun. They're enjoying themselves. Good for them. And there is a really young woman there. Wow, she looks young, and it's probably Italian minister or whatever. Central banker. Central banker meeting. And we go back down. Well, we didn't close up on 5, so we we have to try again to push down, but we almost thought we were up. So latest week down was almost at VWAP up. So if it collapses now, it's gonna go through it. All right.
hmm. So I guess it's gonna consolidate around here and then pick a direction. Well, it certainly looks like it wants to push up back up again. I'll see if I could run 20 tick pot and get long on the 20 tick entry. Yep, I'm long. Let's see what it does. And come on, push, 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 push. Go through. Come on, push. Put my price target 59. Well, 58. Come on, 57, 50, 50, 50. Oh, couldn't get there. All right, I'm out. Oh, man. That got me in again. Okay.
Well, we'll see. We are in idiot box. So one of the rules we created is avoid doing stuff information like that.
All right. Only got me $50 in profit, but some profit is better than no profit. Still looking like it wants to punch through up though. Let's see. Maybe I'll do a manual entry around here somewhere. Here it is, the up move. Missed it. Oh well.
As for the record, I completely don't like this move. I'm not joining.
Yeah, it seems like it's running out of steam, doesn't it?
Yeah, but look at the context. We are still within this kind of really crazy volatile box, and we just
Mhm.
all the bodies of candles are super small. We're now
Yep,
building one step down, and we're just waking up and down. Like I don't want to be a part of it.
I agree. And back down a bit.
Well, like immediate momentum looks like they're trying to push up, building a breakout. We have a little bit of imbalance here to collect, and it's extremely risky long for very like for 10 ticks. Could be on the cards, but nothing large. I think they will try to push this high, and they failed. Yeah, that like I said, it was extremely risky. But yeah, normally they would, but they were completely out of steam. Looks like it's kind of gaining a little bit of bearish momentum, but it's still within the same kind of kill box, and I don't like it. And I will push back again. So make sure all passengers are not leaving the station. And we did push the highs, but so far it didn't follow with any momentum impulse, which is not very good sign. Still can, but have this V, so technically they can propel it higher. We usually have some continuation, but we're back at the previous highs, this kind of pattern. But it has a chance, a higher chance to go up and down right now, but probably not very far. Technically, we can say, oh, okay, here it comes. So just hitting on this bunch of imbalances and Bollinger and hourly view up. It's kind of a low probability trade in my opinion. There is an entry on 20 that could be okayish, but it's breaking down again. They push high, so this kind of V pattern is validated, and unless you have momentum to continue, that probably is not going to. And for the record, 60 tick chart is definitely looking down, but we would still be in a trade if we take it. It wasn't the easiest one, but definitely going towards the target. Now there is a Bollinger on 60 ticks, and it may result a little push up from here. The question is how much, but probably it will continue to push down afterwards. So now she's coming back a little bit, but again, I think momentum is down. Would be a case to short from here. It's not a bad place. And I have 12 seconds to go on 5 minutes. And looks like it's going to be the first big bar down. I think they're prepping it to go through the viewer.
Thought it was gonna go down and it just went turned around right back up.
Yeah,
Yeah, good thing I had a stop loss in there. Okay.
Well, I treat it as a range trade. I'll try to short from 66, and we'll just
I have a
basically
60 tick chart, not 40.
six 60. No, I have 60, not 40.
60. Ah, okay.
It's 40 is a bit too close. I'm trying to kind of totally separate them so there is no any overlap of trades whatsoever. And my goal was to come up with a chart that gives you like not anything like scalping wise, but more like trend trades within a day. So like day trend trades. So I started with 100, but I found like 60 is more reactive, slightly better. It's coming back up, so it's quite close already. We'll try to get one from there. But my thinking goes now we stair stepping down and probably we'll try to go through view up. It's just very volatile, that's all. I would say we're gonna push this high perhaps and may fall hard from there. Or it can continue up, I don't know. But I would say chances are they're gonna push high and pull back at least some and maybe hard. Those guys are talking non-stop. Hal didn't reach our entry, didn't reach high. Our entry is just slightly above the swing high.
Hmm.
Okay, they try to push it again.
It's up. Yeah, up. Oh, something that smacked it down.
Yeah,
A question. Mainly, we talked about opportunities, talked about economies. What about the biggest risk facing your economy? And I do wonder if they're the same or different. So, Paul, what's the biggest risk facing the U.S. economy right now?
Paul is opening his mouth
Now we're
again.
gonna push up.
Yeah,
Kind of
well,
choppy.
Paul is talking now. Paul is talking to ask him some question.
Oh, it's all those like AI bots parsing its words and
Most
finding
likely.
market sentiment to it, huh? Yeah.
And in essence, they are creating market sentiment.
Is he wrapping up? He's been talking for almost an hour.
No, but it's not him talking about it. It's four people there, and they all talk
Mm.
in turns and relaxing and laughing, And now journalists start asking questions. It's just a panel, a central banker panel in whatever, in Brussels or I don't know where they have, but ECB panel, and they have like Paul as a guest, I guess, and Brazilian guy as a guest,
Right.
and you have
Tesla is
Lagarde.
trading at 228. Wow. Up almost 10% for the day, man.
Nice, very good.
For Tesla. I don't like Tesla, so I don't know. I'm a bigger fan of Nvidia, but than Tesla, but
Well, Nvidia
Nvidia
doesn't
did not
have
go up.
really
Yeah.
any competition right now.
Yep.
There were some stuff about Micron and everything, but I think like if we're talking about AI bubble, Nvidia is real
Yep.
candidate for being in a bubble and meaning it can go much higher. But Tesla is it's all vaporware in terms of AI. There is no AI at Tesla. It's all BS. It's all this BS bot. It's just a joke. Just look at Boston. What Boston Dynamic did, and this crap from Tesla is just show no go. Right. So we are in
Looks
short, and now it's a decisive point.
I think it's gonna head up.
I don't know.
Uh, yeah,
We'll see.
it's a yeah. Actually, you're right. It we have a up move right now, but I don't know how much steam this is gonna have.
Yeah, it's range high in terms of bodies of the candles.
Yep.
So we will see what will happen next. But we've been playing tricks whole day, so who knows? Is it real or not?
10:30. So
So far, they're pushing it, right?
yep.
We think about the amount of time that we spend on some social issues that are connected to polarization.
Now we are at another supply level. Let's see how it will react to it. I hope for a little bit better reaction, like weaken it, maybe hard, but actually it's pushed a little bit more than that. We'll see.
Doesn't look like they want to bring it down in the next minute or so.
Yeah, but just look how all these moves are happening. It's just reversing the dimes. No way of knowing.
Okay. Here's that down.
Tape is pretty mixed. A lot of buys, a lot of sells. Very hard to kind of get any sentiment from it.
Very technical.
In terms of market structure, I think this is a good place.
S&P just got to flat.
So,
Yeah, it's zero. I can see it.
All right, I'm gonna try to get long. And manual entry, I got long.
What about the unemployment?
Let's see how it
rate? We're gonna go
behaves.
full dot line.
Yeah. We're just right where it is.
It's very mixed.
Pretty weak. Yeah.
According to Ride.
Hey.
3.4. We touched 3.4.
All right, let's see if I can just.
We're still a very low level. It's been a long time since the last time we were at 4 or below for this long.
Also unemployment.
Trying to push this recent swing lows. I'll see how it will react. Trying to bring it
All right,
down
I
a
stopped
little
out, but
bit.
I'm looking to get back in soon.
I think probably we'll go up a little bit, not too much. But I think we're going to look at the
It's a battleground.
the program have an impact in the participation rate. Our participation rate was down and then it's recovering a little bit at the March. And I think it will become important to understand what is the dynamics of the participation rate going forward.
And finally, Chair Powell, were you a two cut dot or a one cut dot for 2024? Thank you very much.
It's not like it wants to touch 20K before it proceeds. I don't know. It's been way too long, to count it like any sort of bull flag or anything like that. It's just at this point, I believe we can disregard this up leg and just treat it as a just pure range. And when
Looks
in
like it's breaking up.
range, yeah, looks like, but we'll see how far it can go. We just push this local high.
Yep, I just got in and out really quick. $100. Looking for another opportunity to get in. Momentum's kind of weak, but it is drifting up, so
I don't know. We'll see.
I'm watching what maybe that was a bull trap.
Maybe. Momentum is definitely turning down. Except on 60. On 60 is pretty much pointing up, but once in a range, it will always lag a lot. I think we need to clear these lows to kind of confirm we're moving down. And for move up, we need to basically hit the day high and sustain it. Okay, now finally they
Now
are
it's starting
over the finished token.
to, and came right back up. That was quick.
It's a troop city.
I guess it's the day trading session done today. For the day, it's kind of getting very boring.
I think the initial move was okay, but now it's just in a range. That's all.
Yeah.
What is interesting, it means like if press conference or central banker speech doesn't really move price, so it doesn't have any potential, probably it will reverse. That's kind of my thinking goes. And we'll see. And in terms of reverse, I don't mean reverse trend, but like if we're in a range, because if they didn't move, we're in a range, right? And so it's gonna just keep doing stuff it's doing in a range, going from one side to another, pushing highs and lows and coming back. So that's the reason for my trade. Obviously, it's not a great trade right now. I'm sitting halfway through my stop loss, but it still has chance to return. At least we didn't close above, and we didn't close above highs, so we still can go down and just keep returning to the range.
Yep. Stuck in this tight range.
Basically, we need to crash these lows we built,
Yep.
tighten up, and then we can go to this low, then we can go to go up. That's kind of the whole idea.
Oh,
We'll see.
we'll see. Yeah. Oh, and we're already up to 90.
Yeah.
Yeah. Looks like we're breaking up.
Yeah. Pushing day high.
Oh, yeah. Up points from where we were, so we should have a little bit more momentum left. Or do we? I guess 26 would have given you a great entry just now.
No, no entry here yet.
Oh, really? My configuration would have.
Yeah. Now it's kind of there, but it might just go down from here
Yep,
because they high and couldn't sustain it. It's not a good sign.
couldn't sustain it. Oh,
We'll see. I think I was just few ticks away from my stop, but we'll see what will happen. 10 ticks away. You can push higher again and then reverse. Obviously. Or not reverse at all. Keep going up. It's another possibility. Definitely the pattern with range is invalidated, so it did break out. Whether it continue to go up or not, it's broke out. It may revert back, but it doesn't change the fact the range is broken right now. And it's quite a decent move down. We'll see if it's gonna go, but like at best I will be break even. At worst, it will reverse back up. But definitely, I'm not looking for a range play anymore. It may work, but doesn't. Trend range is invalidated. So. And we come back to same cluster of low. If it doesn't break it, it's definitely we can confirm it's turning back bull. Okay, we start to break, but big rejection right away. I'll see if any 20 tick straight can be placed, but not yet. We didn't break the lowest low. Kind of reverse sideways here.
okay. Could be a local reversal here. Yes, it's a reversal. A little weak, but
Now it's trying to come back into range. Right now it's rejected. Let's see what happens next. It's already bearish on 20 ticks. It's kind of swinging point right now. Right, push over.
I guess it's going back down.
We'll see. It's definitely accelerating. Yeah, I'm break even. That's a good thing. And yeah, okay. Yeah, at least we were very, very close to lose this trade. Your extra tick saved us.
Are you trading on the screen that you are broadcasting? Because I don't see orders on that.
No, it's on micros,
Yeah,
right?
I
So
see.
just I can move it around. I mean, for now. Wait, wait a second. Yeah, it's here. We tried twice. We tried to long here, had to break even. It sold off. We tried to short here, had to break even now. It's just bizarre. And that was a good exit. Now she's coming back up again. But like I said, for me, this range box is invalidated. We broke out, closed above. We had a full bar, closed above. That's a breakout. Whether it's strong enough to continue, it's totally a separate question. But we could, instead of just taking a break even, we could reverse and take a long here, and that would more than pay off for a small loss we would take. It's already 100 ticks, but like I don't know, I don't have any confidence in this market formation. And she's going back again. Well, if we go back into a range, we can kind of revalidate it if we close kind of decently below.
Our range just got wider.
Yes and no, because just one little swing, well, not little, decent swing, but it doesn't really change the range, in my opinion. Anyways, we are only interested in lows. So if we close strongly, right, then we'll probably go for lows again and for Viva. And Apex keeps disconnecting me again and again and again. What is wrong with them? And you can see live trading account, it's all good. But Apex keeps dropping connection. And Bulenox is good. I also have Bulenox connected. It's just Apex. Well, looks like they just beat more than they can chew, so it is what it is. Now it's kind of in no man's land. Just rotating around this highs. We'll see. But it doesn't have much strength to go higher yet. We'll just sit on the fence for now. And if it continues like that and just slows down, probably will go out today. I'm still okay in my life account. Didn't do great. But by saving grace, was a really bad trade. Well, it was looking well. Actually, it was good trade because it went like 90% to my profit target, but it was like in tenths of a second and no time to do anything, and it just went down like super hard. And but it blown, well, not blown, but like did a damage to an up XP account, unfortunately. We're okay with up $300 still on live. Obviously, we want more, but that's what it is. Okay, I'll be back in a minute.
Is this a double top?
It's still far from being double top. But like if you look at previous high and previous daily high, we just
Yep.
pierced it by a week. We never closed above it. We'll see what this candle can do. Still brand new candle. It's 4 minutes to go. Come on, Apex, please. Don't be silly. Connect. So weird. I'll be back in a minute.
So we're going past our highs again. Pretty close to it. And nope. Coming off. Get low now. And let's see if it works. Might just go straight down. And it worked. New high. I'm out. Oh, no. Total. I can see if I could get back in. Oh, cancelled. Didn't like that weird up move.
Okay, I'm back. Looks like
Hey,
we pushed another high, but
yeah,
there is no strength really.
consolidated here. We're in a tight range between 110 and 115. Don't know
This,
which way it's gonna go
yeah,
at this
this
point, but
potentially looking good actually for breakout.
yeah,
So we may try 10 ticks. Okay, kind of pushing, but not really.
yeah, I'm long. But is it gonna go anywhere? Volume slowly picking up. Come on, go. Not down, up.
She's been beachy.
Come on, breakout. You can do it. Ah, damn. Oh, that hit my stop out.
Oh,
I should have moved. Now it's gonna go. I bet. Nope.
no, she will keep ranging. Look at those bar. One up, one down, one up, one
No, one
down.
up and down.
It's like it's like
That
zebra.
describes this market really well.
Yeah,
It's the very picture of this market right now.
but it's okay. It's happening. It's
Now it's
happening.
happening.
Okay, let's try something. Unless it runs away really far. And okay, now it tugged me in. Hopefully it will continue up,
Yep, I'm
or
in
they're
too.
out, or they're out of juice again. No, just
This
double
new
topped.
pop right now. Come on, go up to like 130.
Come on, can
Oh,
I move my
back.
order, please?
It's gonna just grind.
And
Ay,
break even. For Christ loud, I couldn't even move my order because it was lagging, and ah, well, I should have just pushed the close button, but it will just when market is just jumping like that, it will just close at terrible price. And yeah, I mean, again, same situation. We're up 20 ticks out of 30, so it's just crap. Well, we had this pattern, we broke out, but couldn't sustain it. Now it's kind of ranging again. There is an entry on 20, which is probably good. Like, I don't know. I have little confidence in this market. There is no strength behind it.
yeah, I don't know.
Now, now, if we break it, we might have a little rundown. We'll see.
Yeah,
It's definitely trying to.
trying to break down. Yeah, I stopped out too.
Let's see if it can push down from here.
It's
Bollinger
11
is
o'clock.
opening up. Yeah,
Yeah,
push back. A little pattern here. If it does it fast, I will join, but okay, maybe. It's happening now. No, just quadruple bottom. Ah, okay, maybe now.
trying, trying to break,
Yeah, but
but
there is
yeah,
no strength behind it. You see, it's just
yep,
nothing is happening. There is no stops behind it, right? So
yep.
usually you will just hit it, and will be a little bit of cascading liquidation of stops, and it will push down and we have this big binding balance which can act like support, and Apex disconnected again. How beautiful!
Oh,
And
again?
yeah, It's like every a few minutes. And no problem with Bulenox, which is running on Rhythmic 2. No problem with Live account, which is Rhythmic 2. Just Apex. And yesterday was terrible. Anytime I send an order, they will disconnect me, and I won't be able to connect even with our trader with anything for next 10 minutes. And I send limit order, and they execute it at completely random place. Definitely not at the price limit order was set. So it's like it's against anything market stands for. It's like they don't obey any rule. I think their just system is crap. I don't think they deliberately do evil, but they're probably still very much over capacity. Sysappings guys. Well, but if you're a listener and you want to try the shenanigans for yourself, there is a discount code in description. I'm terrible at promotion. But I don't want to be lying to you guys. Everything is rosy. No, Apex been good for ages, but I think they just chew. They beat more than they chew, right? With all these big promotions and hundreds, thousands of new customers, they just can't handle it at all. It's like some days, few days before, it was actually quite good, like in old days, and now it's just disconnect. Yesterday was just super terrible. It only happened when you send an order. You send an order, everything freeze, no data, just disconnects you, and there is no way to connect. Obviously, it's rhythmic issue, but it's Apex's responsibility. And
Oh, enough
I
on
I would yeah
pull this pattern zebra.
yeah now it's pretty terrible. I
Yeah,
have
it's
period
11 o'clock.
one.
Thank you to pick a direction at come here, but not happening.
No, no. Well, they
Given
have.
that it was trying to run up for the past, I don't know, 15 minutes or whatever, 10 minutes, I guess the fact that we didn't go up, it just means we're gonna go down. Start sloping down from here.
I don't know.
Maybe.
I would say we'll just keep ranging.
Yeah.
It's just new. They pushed it down. Now they pushed it up. Of course, this one is much more pronounced move, but I wouldn't say it necessarily constitutes we're going down. Well, we might get like a few moves, like on 10 ticks that are tradable, but overall, it's pretty bizarre. Not the most bizarre. We've seen a lot worse things, but okay. So try to push bottoms again.
Grinding down slowly, but probably not much longer. There we go. The stop text back in the range, back into the zebra pattern.
Yeah. It also looked like a very crooked head and shoulders, this
Yeah,
head, another, but like that.
we're gonna try again. Push new highs.
Yeah, try again. I'm not buying it.
Not buying it
Eventually,
either.
eventually it might work. But
Yep. When it looks terrible, that's when it works, right?
yeah,
Did hit push new high by a point, but God, let's just buy and then go turn off my monitor.
pushing, but comes back hard every time. Hmm. It actually looks semi-decent from 20 tick. Kind of aligned with the size of the moves.
Are you in on the 20 tick, Alex?
No, no.
No? Okay.
I'm falling asleep. Well, now maybe it will go.
Oh, maybe. Right. Try to get long and see what happens. Maybe not. It is picking up volume though. Yeah, I'm long. Let's see if that's a good decision or bad. Probably bad. Hey,
Yeah, it's a pretty bad pattern. I
this
mean,
market's pretty
yeah,
bad.
it's moving up, but like you're just pushing high and then big sell off, you know.
Yeah,
This is what normally you would see at all-time highs. When we probably when we push really new all-time highs, then the follow-up is usually pretty good. But like when we come in close and trying to push, this is what normally happens. But we're a bit far away from it. So and now it's reversing back up.
yeah. Tried one, two, three times.
Well, guys, I think it's getting really slow and not very interesting. So we're gonna end the stream for today, and probably we'll broadcast tomorrow again. Thank you, anybody, for
Bye, guys.
listening and watching. Bye.